Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So guys, if you have created a new Apple ID or the old Apple ID you are trying to download apps with, and you are getting this error, this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store, then I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started the video. Let's fix this issue. So then simply guys, you will get this option review. Click on it. Then simply click on agree to terms and conditions, then click on next, then click on none right here. As you can see, now enter the street address, and this is optional. You need to enter your city, then select the state, then click on phone. Now you need to enter the phone, then click on next. So as you can see, Apple ID completed, then click on continue. So now you can simply go to apps. Now let's try to download some app to see if we get this error or not. So as you can see guys, without getting any error, now the app will start downloading. So as you can see, this is how you can fix the problem. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.